Are you sensitive to your environment? I'm going to teach you how to cleanse your aura. Howdy, my name is Izzy Aldridge, and all we're going to do is visualize that you have a zipper in front of your body starting at your bottom lip and ending at your pubic bone. Simply unzip that zipper from the bottom of your lip to your pubic bone. Then you're going to take your hands and your arms and you're going to use them as a windshield wipe, just like a windshield wipe in a car. And you're going to move your hands in a crossover pattern all over your body, in front of your face. Make sure you get the top of the head, the back of the head, the back of the body, side of the body, all the way down to your legs. Once you've done this and you have the sense that you have cleared enough, you might have the sensation of taking a deep breath or just having the feeling of being a little bit lighter. Go to the next technique, which is swim in the aura. You're going to have your hands, your arms straight out in front of you, hands back to back, and you're slowly going to move your hands apart. This is a very slow process. The first couple of times that you do this, it should take probably a couple of minutes to be able to go all the way around your body. And you really want to tune in to that sensation. You might have a kind of a sense that you're pushing against something thick. It might be sluggish. And you want to do that all the way until you get to the back of the body where your hands touch together. Once you're done, shake off your hands, rub them a couple of times, and swim the aura again. Arms straight in front of you and hands back to back, and you slowly start moving your hands apart all the way from in front of you all the way to the back until your hands touch. Once they do touch, you want to pretend like you are bringing a shower curtain around your body and you're going to tie it in front of you. We're going to end this technique by bringing that zipper back up. Start at your pubic bone, slowly bring up that zipper, and you want to end at your bottom lip. Lock it, throw away the key. This is a simple technique that anyone can do anytime, anywhere, as many times as you'd like throughout the day to help you keep your aura cleansed and strong so that you can have more of a resilience in your environment. Until next time, keep moving energies. Bye-bye.